Another day. Time to clean this dirty human's bedroom. As you guys all know, I am the star of the show. I'm the Roborock S6 MaxV.
Wait. I want to come too. I'm the S4. I'm super excited to clean. What are we doing today?
Huh, you look like Ecovacs disposable mop. You don't look like you can clean very well.
Hey, that's not very nice. I have the same extractable side brush and filter as you.
Huh, S4, just sit there and look pretty. I'm just kidding. You look pretty cheap to me.
But S6 Max V, I want to help you clean too. I have the Lidar navigation like you. I can navigate around these pillows just as good as you. Hey, wait up. I can catch up with you. Hold on a second. I'm gonna put on high gear and be able to catch up with you. So, where's this cleaning job at? I'm really excited to clean because I got this new extractor bar I want to try out.
Okay, if you really want to help me out, let's play this game. Okay, you just sit there for a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and check out the place, and once it's clear, I'll go ahead and call you. But don't move until I call you.
Oh, this sounds like a fun game. Okay, I won't move until you call me. So, make sure you call me though, because last time you didn't call me. Alright?
Yeah. I will call you this time, I promise. I'm almost done. Just hold on a second.
Huh, that's weird. I thought he was gonna call me. I've been waiting for like a couple minutes now. I'm gonna keep looking for this guy. I think he's stood me up, but I'm gonna keep looking. Hey guys, have you seen this Roborock S6 Max V? He was supposed to tell me where he's at, but I can't seem to find him. But I'm gonna keep on looking. Oh, don't tell the S6 Max V, but I actually have better cleaning performance than he does.
Oh man, with my upgraded Qualcomm processors, that was so easy to lose that meter-core robot vacuum. Alright, let's keep on cleaning this bedroom. What is happening, guys? So, we got the Roborock S4. We're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to do something very special in this video. Here's the Roborock S4, and we got something else. But you know what? I got two robots now. The Roborock S6 Max V versus the Roborock S4. We'll do a head-to-head challenge, and we'll also do a navigation challenge. Very cool. And lastly, if you like this type of video, please smash that like button. It really helps out this video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nathan. We do a lot of head-to-head challenges with robot vacuums, and a lot of cleaning challenges, and all the cool stuff with consumer-based robots. Let's get started. This is the cheapest Lidar-based robot vacuum from Ecovacs. It is the cheapest Roborock vacuum with Lidar-based navigation. It's the Roborock S4. Okay folks, so honestly I really didn't think much of the Roborock S4. I have owned the Roborock S5, the original version, also the S5 Max, the S6, S6 Max V, and now the Roborock S4 came into my hands. I was like, it's probably just another Roborock model, but this little guy surprised me. So this little guy has excellent navigation like its older brothers, also has the 2000 pascals of suction and a long battery life at 2.5 hours. So this may be an unfair challenge because I paired the Roborock S4 with the Roborock S6 Max V, one of the best navigating robot vacuums to date according to my testings. Also it beat out the reigning champion, the S5 Max. The S6 Max V has a stereo camera system, also upgraded Qualcomm processor, which Roborock claims to be 50% faster. And with the S6 Max V's 2500 pascals, this can clearly be a winner, but let's wait a second because the results are actually quite surprising. Both Roborock models have the ability to do keep out zones. You also have area select, you have room select, you also have the ability to name your rooms if you use the Mi Home app. I have heard that the Roborock app does allow you to name rooms, but there should be a software update to allow this feature. As you can see, both models did really well not bumping into the objects, and with the S6 Max V stereo camera system, it can recognize objects as small as 3 inches wide. With this chair leg challenge, there's only a couple millimeters on both sides of the robot vacuum, so it does require some finesse, and both the models did really well with this challenge. This is something that most Lidar-based robot vacuums do struggle with. Okay, so it's neck and neck. Let's see who will win the navigation challenge. Is it the Roborock S6 Max V or the Roborock S4? Go ahead and put down in your comments which one you think will be the winner. Also, I'm going to do a head-to-head cleaning challenge as well. Well, should I disqualify the Roborock S4? Looks like it's taking the wired chair leg with it. Okay, never mind. It was able to break free. So it looks like the Roborock S4 is the reigning champ, and the S6 Max V is not too far behind. So I was actually quite impressed with the S4. Okay, so it looks like the S4 won this time. We'll see if the S6 Max V can catch up in the cleaning challenge. But before we do that, let's go ahead and continue with the unboxing of the Roborock S4. Let's see how well Bob Shark 2.0 can handle this obstacle course, and it looks like it's able to fly through it in record time, so I guess the winner is Bob Shark 2.0. I can't wait to get this unboxed, and you notice how plain this is? Look at this, guys. Yeah, couldn't they just add at least some color? Oh, never mind, there's some color right there. Yeah, but Sadly, this box is fairly plain, so if you like boxes, well, this won't excite you at all. Okay, let's go ahead and get this guy opened up. Alright, I need a knife. Thank you. And kids, as always, don't play with scissors or knives. They're very dangerous. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at this, guys. This is amazing. Got your power cable. Very nice. Got an extra filter. I like that. Cleaning brush. Yes, guys, make sure you read your instruction manual. It's very important. You got another instruction manual. This is the actual booklet. And guys, I like this because I always have a cool hat. Makes me really cool. Here it is, a bag of robot. Guys, get a quick look there. Very clean look. There's nothing too special about it. It's just a glossy black. Whoa! Whoa! Look, I can actually see you guys through the flappy lid thing. And this lid is just gigantic. It's huge. It's like Pac-Man. So in the rear here, you have your Lidar navigation. This is like the domey thing. But unfortunately, it's not pressure sensitive. You also have your home button and also your power button. And I believe if you hold down the home button for 3 seconds, it goes into spot mode. Here's inside the robot. You see the large dustbin. And unfortunately, there's no place to hold your cleaning tool. Okay, so you got your dedicated wall sensor. You have your speaker and exhaust vent in the rear. And you notice that the charging contacts in the rear. That's very unique for Roborock's models. They're usually underneath. So here's underneath the robot. You got your extractor bar. And notice the placement of the wheels. They're actually reversed on the other models. So it allows this robot to sit closer to the ground to help with the suction. This guy's designed for medium to low profile carpet and hardwood floors. And lastly, the position of the extractor bar is more towards the wheels, not towards the rear like the other robot models. Very, very cool. Alright, let's keep on going. Okay, let's go ahead and do a head-to-head cleanup challenge with the Roborock S6 MaxV on the left and the Roborock S4 on the right. Both robots have been used prior to this pickup challenge, so you may notice some dirt and debris in the dustbins. So the filters, the extractor bars, the side brushes all have been broken in to help represent the real world, not using brand new filters or any expendable items. Okay, so at first I thought the dustbins of both robots were the same, but it actually looks like the Roborock S4 has a 480mm dustbin versus a 460mm dustbin on the Roborock S6 MaxV. So I was quite shocked that the cheaper model had a slightly larger dustbin. I know what you're thinking, do I eat the candy after the pickup challenge? Of course I do, because I love candy. Alright, let's keep on going. Okay, I'm going to strategically place down 2 ounces of dirt and debris and see how much these robots can pick up. So there's a couple design tweaks that make the Roborock S4 a little bit different than other Roborock models. The first thing is the combo style extractor bar is actually positioned more towards the front of the robot. Also the drivetrain is reversed. So that's just a minor tweak, but it does make the position of the extractor bar sit lower, so it does do better with carpet, was able to pick up more dirt and debris from carpets. But keep in mind, high profile carpets the robot will struggle with, so have medium to low profile carpets and you shouldn't have any issues. The navigation pattern on both robots are the exact same. They start with the perimeter sweep first, and then they fill in that perimeter with a back and forth cleaning pattern. And I do have these robots set to its highest power setting, and also do 2 cleaning sessions. So despite the Roborock S6 MaxV being more powerful at 2500 pascals, they both have the same consumables, the same filter, the same extractor bar, and also the same silicone side brush. Okay, so it looks like the S4 is done with its zone cleaning. We'll go ahead and check out the Roborock S6 MaxV and see if it can beat out the S4. So if you want to learn more about these Roborock vacuums, please check out my links below. I will have them down in the description and you can learn more about these Roborock vacuums. One thing to know is the S6 MaxV does have the reactive AI camera system, so it can avoid objects, also can avoid poo. Yes, this robot vacuum can avoid pet feces, so is that something that you want? Well, maybe the Roborock S6 MaxV might be the choice for you. Another feature that the S6 MaxV has is the electronically controlled mopping system. So if you want a 2-in-1 robot vacuum, the S6 MaxV does great at vacuuming and also can mop your hardwood floors if you choose to do so. One thing to know is it doesn't have a carpet avoidance sensor like on the Osmo, so that's one thing to remember, is to set up no mopping zones for this guy if you don't want to mop your carpets. Okay, the moment of truth, which one picked up the most dirt and debris? Now I put down 2 ounces of various different types of debris, from powder to Skittles to gummy bears to hard pieces of candy. So the Roborock S6 MaxV has a lot of things going for it. It has that reactive AI system, also has the strongest suction at 2500 pascals versus 2000 pascals, also has longer battery life at 180 minutes versus 150 minutes, also has that electronically controlled mopping system, and a slightly smaller dustbin. Yes, I said smaller because the S4 has the 480 milliliter dustbin. Yeah, that's a lot to consider. But I'll go ahead and show you the results of this cleaning challenge, and keep in mind that this is just for references only. It may vary depending on what type of home you have, but you really can't go wrong with either model. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the Roborock S4 is not a bad option. Also, if you're not interested in the mopping feature, well, that's great because the Roborock S4 doesn't offer that option. Now, drum roll please, let's see which one picked up the most dirt and debris. Well, looks like the Roborock S4 is the winner. It picked up 99.5%, whereas the Roborock S6 MaxV picked up 92%. I suspect this is because the extractor bar does sit lower. With other YouTubers' results, they actually did find that the Roborock S4 did pick up better than the other models. Okay, let's finish up the unboxing. Here's the charging base. It's similar to like the Roborock S6, where it allows you to wrap the cable around. In the back here, the only downside is this charging base is like huge. It's gigantic compared to the ones you can't wrap the cord around. So I guess you sacrifice small, slim chargers or ones that allow you to wrap the cable around. But this guy works overseas, 100 to 240 volts. Very, very nice. Charged up and keep on going. So if you're on a budget, I think the Roborock S4 offers a lot of great features for the price, but if you want the electronically controlled mopping system and the reactive AI, well, the S6 MaxV's the better buy. I also covered other Roborock models, so check those out as well. Yep, the Roborock S4 can charge with a chair in between its charging base. These are the best navigating robots from Roborock. So whatever Roborock model you choose, you can't go wrong with it, whether it be the S6, the S6 MaxV, or the S4. These are all great products, highly recommend them. They have excellent navigation and cleaning ability. So stay tuned for my next videos because there's a lot of new robot vacuums coming to Robot Masters. Alright, thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.